Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Android version and device model so you know which system settings to expect. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. This unlocks the tools you need. Make sure to back up important settings and note that the Wi-Fi MAC shows unavailable to reproduce the fault. Now connect the phone to a PC if you'll use ADB. Otherwise, stay in settings. This prepares you to take the first corrective actions without guessing. You should reset network settings next. Go to System, Reset Options, and choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This clears misconfigurations. After the reset, check about phone status for the MAC address. If it's still unavailable, capture logs with ADB Logcat to see WPA or hardware errors. Make sure to note any permissions or SE Linux denials reported. If logs show driver failures, the issue is deeper. Otherwise, proceed to reinstall or update network components, as shown next. You now update or reinstall network firmware. Apply OTA updates first, and if that fails, flash the official radio or firmware package for your exact model. This restores corrupted drivers that cause unavailable MAC. Once flashing completes, reboot and verify the MAC in settings. If still unresolved, perform a full factory reset only after backing up data. Troubleshooting tip: if flashing and resets fail, test Wi-Fi functionality on a service partition or consult authorized repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.